Hey everyone, it's NS8098 Railfan, and today I'm going to play you train horns on synths. So the first train horn I'm going to do is the K5HL, and it's C, E flat, F sharp, B flat, and C, like this. And next is the K5LLA, and it's C, E flat, F sharp, A flat, and B, like this. And then the other part of the K5LLA is C sharp, E, G, A, and C. Like that. And then the K5LA is what I'm going to do now, and it's E flat, F sharp, A flat, B, and E flat, like this. And then the P2, which is usually heard on Caltrain and Metrolink trains, and it's F and A flat, like this. And the old cast P3 is C sharp, E, and A. Like that. And then the new cast P3 is D, F sharp, and B flat. Just like that. And next is the old cast P5, and it's C sharp, E, G, A, and C sharp, which is this. And then the new cast P5 is D, F, A, B flat, and C. And then the other version of the new cast P5, instead of the B flat, it's A flat now. And the rest of it stays the same. And now, this is what it sounds like. And next is K5HLB, and it's C, E flat, F sharp, A, and C, which sounds like this. And then the RS5T, so the high C is now the C sharp, like this. And then the RS3L is C, E flat, and then A, like this. And then the K3LA is E flat, F sharp, and B, like this. And then the other version of the K5LA is E, G, A, C, and E, like this. Anyways, that was train horns on synths, and NS8098 Railfan out.